Hello, this video shows lesson 10 to 11 in course 3. I'm going to explain you the first one. So let's see. What do we need to do first? Do you remember which direction this is? I don't seem to. Well, what is that you said? Oh, it's east. This one? Let's hope we are saying right. Next, what do? We also need to pick this coin. So we'll do that. But should we keep on going east, east, east? Is there any faster way? Yes. You remember what a repeat loop does? If not, well, I'll tell you. A repeat loop helps you repeat several times that are more than one, even two. How many times do we need for yes? Ooh, you said 3? Well, let's hope you're right. Let's Yay! It works. Now I'll not show you all the puzzles. I'll go to puzzle 12 and 13. Here what we need to do. Do you remember this direction? Oh, it's east again. No wonder I seem to remember. And what's the other one? North. Got it. But east again goes... Ooh, did you say 3 times? Alright, I'll check it. What about the next one? Oh, you said 2? Well, let's hope you're right. If you're not very confident, you can also use steps. But for now, I believe in you, so let's get on. Yay, we have completed the second last. Can you please help the harvester to get these coins as well? Thank you for helping the harvester. Which direction do you go now? You're right. It's west while picking a coin. Next, oh, you're saying it's the south? Okay. Because the arrow points down. How many times do you go west? What did you say there? Oh, it's 4. Alright. What about this one? You have come here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yes, you're right. Let's use 4. This time, let's run again. Look, she waved to you. You can watch this video. As I watched it, I'll not be watching it with you. Like last time, I'm just gonna explain the first one and go to 12 and 13. But in this case, 13 and 14. Here, what do you need to do? It seems like a weird pattern, so let's figure out how to come to the first one. Did you say double east? Alright. Don't use it when there's only one to put, because even then you'll put this out but put a repeat loop. It'll still use 2 blocks. So here, next you get a diamond. Will it repeat? Let's check. East, east, diamond, east, east, diamond. It looks like it is. So now you can use a repeat. How many times? How many diamonds do you see? Oh, you see 3? But also make sure you might be a bit hard, so also look at the goal. Here it only shows 1, but let's take all 3. Just for fun. We are getting extra. We'll continue. I'll first help you with 13. Maybe that's alright. Yep. So, what do we do? Okay, so you said use a repeat loop and put number 3. Next, another repeat loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's use 5. Next one, 2. Got it. Now tell me what to put in them. So in the first one, you're saying to put west and get. Alright. For the next one, you're saying put south and get. Alright. And now for the last repeat loop, you're saying in east and get. Alright, let's check. You need to get all 10. Yay! We got all 10. Oh, don't think it's hard. Because I told you to look at the goal, and here you just have to get one. You can take as many as you want, but for now, let's take the first. You can put 5 or 4, whatever number, and then go the direction you want to. For now, I'll do west and put a get. He's also saying great work. You can press finish if you're done. Now bye till the next time.